Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to change location permissions in Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. To change our location permissions, we have to go to Settings. Then we're looking for Security and Privacy options here. And at the bottom we have Permission Manager. All the permissions are in one place. We have every permission available right here. So currently there are 4 applications out of 14 installed that are granted permissions to see our location. For example, I don't want Chrome to see my location. That's all. Chrome now won't see where I am. Alternatively, I can change to ask every time, but let's leave it as it is. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.